Well, g'day, and welcome to another episode of Kiwi Car Life, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Accord sound like this. For free! Now, before I start the actual topic of this video, I found out something very interesting today while I was doing the intake mod. You might remember a couple of weeks ago I installed a tune on this bad boy. You can check it out by clicking up the top somewhere. But I didn't realise the tune also gave this car two-step. Check it out. Holds the revs at like 3,000 RPM, which means that you can get a perfect launch. And this thing absolutely whips off the line, man. It's fantastic. Okay, so let's first have a listen to what this car sounded like with the Bones stock intake. So first, here's a clip of what the car sounds like inside. And now here's a drive-by. So as you just heard, it certainly sounds alright, but I wouldn't call it loud. But with the help of this video, I'm going to show you how to change that. Now, with the weather being worse than what you'd find on a naval cruise ship in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, we've had to bring it here into the garage. But let's set to work. Now, with the lighting in here being worse than an early Kiwi Car Life video, I've nixed my brother's TikTok light while he was mid-renegade. So you guys can actually see. Now, with the lighting in here being worse than an early Kiwi Car Life video, I've nicked my brother's TikTok light while he was mid-renegade so that you guys can actually see what we're doing. Right, so first of all, we've got to lose all of these little things. So you just get a flathead screwdriver, pry up on them a bit until they snap. The next thing you're going to want to do, turn the wheel around just a little bit so that we can access this screw just in there. Okay, so there's the screw, and now we can pull the bumper off, at least that far. I've got to remove this clip in the middle here, and then there's a bolt here, and then the last bolt is over here, this one right down the back. There we go. Alright, now in theory it should come off. Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay, so now that we've got the bumper off, this is the famous box that we're going to be removing, because there's kind of the upper part of the airbox up here, and then there's a tube that goes down into the lower part. And you don't really need this, it's just kind of double filtration. There's already a filter in here that'll filter out everything. First we've got to remove this bolt right here. Change of plans. I can't be bothered taking the box out, so we're just going to remove the tube. There we go, team effort. Tube's coming out. That is what we're looking for. I mean, that basically achieves what I wanted to. There's still a decent filter in here, and if I really wanted to do this properly, I'd probably put a proper K&N filter or something on the end of that, just to give it a bit more filtration, which I will do very soon. But that's basically it. Okay, moment of truth. First time with the intake delete, what does it sound like? That sounds good.
That sounds way louder.
Oh, this is nice. So now with the new intake mod all installed, let me give you a little taster of what it sounded like before. And here's what it sounds like now. But anyway, here's a bonus clip of what it sounds like on a drive-by. And all that's left to do now is say thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you found this interesting and or helpful. If you happen to own a CL9 Accord yourself, you're welcome to give it a try to make it sound even better. And thank you for watching. Oh, it does sound very nice indeed.